Good morning, graduating grade 12 students. It's truly an honor to be here with you today. At this pivotal moment in your lives, you stand on the precipice of a new chapter, brimming with possibilities. And today, my team and I are here to open your eyes to one of the most noble, fulfilling, and rewarding paths you could ever choose, the path of becoming a teacher. I know many of you are thinking about college, about careers, about what kind of life you want to build for yourselves. And rightly so, this is a big decision. But let me tell you this, there's a profession that offers not just a job, but a genuine calling. A profession that allows you to sculpt minds, ignite passions, and truly, profoundly shape the future. Think about the teachers who have influenced you, the ones who made a difficult subject click, the ones who believed in you when you doubted yourself, the ones who saw your potential before you even did. That impact, that legacy, that what a teacher creates every single day. When we talk about teaching, we're not just talking about standing in front of a classroom. We're talking about leadership. We're talking about innovation. We're talking about compassion. A teacher is a mentor, a guide, a problem solver, a lifelong learner, and a community pillar. Let's be honest. You've probably heard the stereotypes teachers don't earn much. It's a tough job. While teaching certainly has its challenges, and what truly meaningful profession doesn't. I'm here to paint a much more accurate and favorable picture, one that reflects that incredible reality of the teaching profession today, especially here in the Philippines. First, let's talk about the impact. There is no other profession that offers such a direct and profound ability to influence the trajectory of human lives. Every lesson you teach, every word of encouragement you offer, every challenge you help a student overcome, ripple outward. You are not just teaching subject. You are building character, fostering critical thinking, and preparing young people to be productive, compassionate citizens. That sense of purpose, that deep fulfillment you get from seeing a student finally grasp a concept or overcome a struggle is a reward that truly money cannot buy. But let's also address the tangible benefits because a fulfilling career should also offer stability and security. The teaching profession, particularly in public schools, offers a very secure and stable future. The demand for qualified teachers in the Philippines is consistently high and continues to grow. This means excellent job security for you. And yes, let's talk about compensation and benefits. Gone are the days when teachers were seen as underpaid. The government had significantly increased salaries for public schools teachers. With regular with regular adjustment and opportunities for advancement, as a teacher you start with a competitive salary and that salary grows with your experience and qualification. Beyond the basic salary, you receive various allowances, clothing allowance, chalk allowance, and even hardship allowance if you serve in remote areas. But it doesn't stop there. As a government employee, you'll be part of the GSIC, GSIS, or Government Service Insurance System, providing you with a robust retirement plan, life insurance, and access to various loan programs. You'll also be covered by PhilHealth, ensuring your healthcare needs are met. And let's not forget the longevity pay, which adds to your salary as you dedicate more years to the service. There are also performance based incentives for those who excel and go above and beyond. Beyond the financial, there are immense privileges and perks. Once you achieve permanent status, you enjoy security of tenure, meaning you have a stable job. There are clear career progression paths, allowing you to move from teacher 1 to master teacher, head teacher, and eventually even a principal or supervisor. The Department of Education also invests heavily in its teachers' growth. You'll have access to numerous professional development programs, seminars, and workshops, often free or subsidized, keeping you at the forefront of educational innovation. Did you know that teachers can also avail of paid study leave to pursue higher education like master's or a doctorate degree? This means you can further your knowledge and expertise without having to sacrifice your income. And for those thinking about starting a family, teaching offers fantastic maternity and paternity leave benefits, as well as standard sick and vacation leave, plus the structure schedule, with those wonderful long summer breaks, semester breaks, and national holidays, provides a unique work-life balance that many other professions simply can't offer. This time allows you to rest, pursue personal interests, travel, or engage in further professional development. Perhaps one of the most intangible yet powerful benefits is the respect and admiration you command within the community. Teachers are highly respected figures, is trusted with the most precious asset for any nation, its children. You become a role model, a source of guidance, and a beacon of hope. The journey to become the journey to becoming a licensed teacher is a clear and well-defined one. It involves pursuing a Bachelor of Elementary Education (BEd) or Bachelor of Secondary Education (BSed) or a specialized education degree, excelling in your studies, and then passing the licensure examination for teachers or LET. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding path, and your dedication during those years will lay the foundation for a lifetime of impact. We need bright, passionate, and dedicated individuals like yourselves to join the ranks of our educators. We need young minds brimming with new ideas, equipped with the latest knowledge, and inspired to make a difference. You, the graduating class of 2025, have the potential to be those transformative teachers. So, as you weigh your options for college, I urge you to seriously consider teacher education. Talk to your guidance counselors, research different university programs, and most importantly, talk to the who have teachers who have inspired you. Ask them about their experiences, their joys, and the challenges they've overcome. I assure you, you'll hear stories of profound satisfaction and unwavering dedication. This is just about choosing a career. It's about choosing a purpose. It's about investing in yourself. Yes, but also investing in the very fabric of our society. It's about being part of a profession that builds nations, one student at a time. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing a former student excel, knowing you played a part in their journey. Imagine the joy of sparking curiosity in a child's eyes. Imagine the legacy you can leave, each not in stone, but in the hearts of and minds of generations. So, graduates, as you choose your path, ask yourself, do I want a job or do I want a legacy? Teaching is not just about giving lessons, it's about giving hope. Your future awaits, and so does the future of countless young learners who are waiting for a teachers just like you. Choose to shape the future. Choose to inspire. Choose to teach. Choose to teach. Thank you.